Stock markets in Europe are trading on the soft side this morning, with the UK's FTSE 100 index off around about 18 points at the moment, while the Euro Stoxx 50 index is lower by 5 points, and the DAX in Germany is off around about 23 points. In the currency space, the US dollar is in for a bit of a relief rally at the moment. It is tracking higher against some of the other currencies, such as the emerging market currencies, which yesterday put on some strong gains, and the dollar was weaker on the back of the Federal Reserve not tapering any asset purchases at the moment. When it comes to the core government bond space, both UK gilts and German bunds are in favour. And in the commodity space, gold is off around about $7, but oil prices are tracking a little higher. Good morning, I'm Ishaq, Siddiqi, and welcome to your daily market buy. I'm going to give you a quick idea of what's going on in financial markets across the world. It's Friday, so it is the last trading day of the week. We don't have much out on the economic agenda apart from Eurozone confidence indicators out later this afternoon. Now, we had a pause in the Asian market last night with investors taking their foot off the buying pedal, if you want to say that, or easing when it comes to their bullish tone. That's the day after the Federal Reserve showed reluctance to taper asset purchases. Investors are still assessing the implications of that. It was a surprise move. We were expecting somewhere around $10 billion US dollars to be cut off on the current pace of asset purchases, which total around $85 billion per month by the US Federal Reserve. So at the moment, although the news has surprised us, and we did see an initial leg up across all global markets, at the moment we are pausing, really trying to assess what this means. When will we see some sort of tapering? Is it going to be at the end of the year, or we're going to have to wait until the first quarter of 2014 before it starts? Logic would say that, given the fact that Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke is on his way out, and there will be a new Fed Chairman at the start of 2014, perhaps he may try tapering at the end of 2013 to get the ball rolling, but who's to say? Nobody here is none the wiser as to Federal Reserve policy, and we've got no economic data today from the US, so we're still going to be quite clueless as to what's going to happen next. Now, one of the big things that investors are looking out for is, of course, the German federal elections over the weekend. We're gearing up for those. There's no real change to the current status quo expected by the market. Angela Merkel, the current chancellor, is expected to win again, with her Christian Democrats still in power, perhaps with a coalition with the Social Democrats. So that's a story to watch out for in case we have any hiccups, but really at the moment nobody's expecting anything too different from the current picture in the Eurozone. Other than that, there is not much else to say. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a lovely weekend, and cheers for watching.